The first thing we're gonna do is hold the plank. We're gonna do 30 toe taps. So basically you're gonna get into a plank position, okay, from the elbows. Come on up nice and tall, okay? Abs of steel, and then you're gonna tap your feet out side to side. So I'm gonna count out 30 reps here, okay? Do the best you can. We'll make sure if you need to modify this, you could just hold still, okay? You could even just do this from your knees and hold the plank, that's no problem, okay? So if you'd rather just hold the plank, just hold the plank for the duration it takes us to do 30 reps, or you can do 30 seconds if it's easier for you. But let's go with this one here. So I like to incorporate something a little bit more dynamic than just holding a static plank if it's possible for you. So I like this one. It tends to warm up the obliques, your hips a little bit more, hip flexors, and as well as your lower back and shoulders. All right, here we go. 27, 28, 29, and 30. All right. So that's our facing the ground exercise. I'm gonna turn towards you guys.